Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to add the DNS manager to your Namecheap domain. You can go to the domain list and find your domain list and find the manage button here. Then you can find the sharing and transfer. Okay, now you can uh, put the your manager's email address here. I put manager email address and click on add. Okay friends, then I can select the this access level, give manager full access. Okay, then I want to put the name change passwords and confirm. Okay friends, now you can see the invitations here. Your domain manager will receive the email. Okay, this type of email your domain manager will receive. Okay, I copy this one, and this is my domain manager's account. There is a no domain still, so okay, then domain manager can accept it. Okay, okay friends, you can see the domain details belong to the domain administrator account, domain manager account now. So if you want to remove the domain manager from your account, you can go to the your accounts. This is my account, domain list. Then you can find the domain, click on manage. Then you can go to the sharing and transfers. Then you can find the your active managers details here. Click on manage. Okay, if you want to remove, click on remove. Yes, click on done. Okay friends, you can use this step to remove your domain managers. If you want to add new managers, you can put the new manager's email address and use the previous steps. I think this is clear. If you have any problems, you can comment for below. Thanks for watching.